I miss Palabok.
Okay, I'll cook for you.
Let's start preparing the ingredients. I'll cut the spring onions.
Thank you, Laval chopped the tinapa flakes and fried tofu.
Let's soak the Palabok noodles in warm water for a while.
Okay, then I'm going to dissolve the cornstarch now. Meanwhile, I will stir fry the onion and garlic with ground pork. Alright, I think it's ready now. Let's just add fish sauce to taste. I'm adding shrimp broth cubes to make it better taste for Palabok. Of course, the annatto seeds for natural color of Palabok.
Smells good now.
I'm adding now the dissolved cornstarch to make it thicker. Let's add the tinapa flakes. I'm adding more annatto to add color. And Mamacita product for flavorful of Palabok. I think it's ready now. Smells good hot. Wow, it smells so good.
Okay, then I'll start boiling these eggs now.
Thank you for watching.
It's yummy. Please subscribe.